In today's video, I'll show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy in just a few minutes. This setup is quick, beginner friendly, and helps automate your product sourcing and order fulfillment. To get started, log into your CJ Dropshipping account at cjdropshipping.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your store integrations are managed. From the dashboard, locate the authorization section. This is where CJ connects with platforms like Etsy. Click on it, then look for the option to add or connect an Etsy store. When you select Etsy, you'll be redirected to Etsy's login page. This is a normal step. Enter your Etsy email and password to continue. After logging in, Etsy will ask you to confirm permissions so CJ Dropshipping can access your store. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. This authorization allows CJ Dropshipping to sync products, manage orders, and streamline fulfillment directly with your Etsy store. Once confirmed, your Etsy store is officially connected to CJ Dropshipping. That's it. You're now ready to start sourcing products, syncing orders, and running your Etsy dropshipping business more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get set up quickly and smoothly.